you guys. I'm so happy you could join me today for this organization project. We're going to be working on the pantry and using Dollar Tree products, and if they don't match and you just have some laying around, don't worry. The most important thing here is just getting some organization in that pantry so that you can find things and it's not a jumbled mess. And if I show you the before picture of mine, I'm going to be slightly embarrassed, but it was just a huge disaster. And now I am so happy with it. It looks great. So let's go ahead and jump into this organization project. So I removed some of the things already that I didn't catch on camera. I'm sorry about that, you guys, but I'm going in and washing the cupboard out, and I didn't bother to take the old liner up because it's just been there for years and I think it's going to be fine. And then I go ahead and I put in my new shelf liner, and it's just that foamy type that you just lay down. I just love this shelf liner. It is so easy. Just lay it down and you're done, and it's also washable. Now I'm removing all the items on the next shelf up and also removing the old shelf liner. I'm sorry for the camera placement, you guys. Now I start getting my storage containers ready, and I'm going to be putting these snacks into my Dollar Tree organizers to put on this bottom shelf. I'm using these chalkboard stickers with a chalkboard pen to label all of my baskets. These laser cut baskets are the perfect size for chips and other bagged snacks, so I'll be using those on the bottom shelf. I'm also placing pasta in the basket on the right. These wire baskets are perfect for individually packaged Rice Krispie treats. So I have my caramel ones in one basket, and I'm placing my birthday cake ones in the other basket. And I'm going to just put them underneath this riser. Now I'm on the next shelf up, and boy is this one a doozy. It's just packed full of tea, sweetener, coffee, you name it. It's just got a ton of stuff in it, so I'll be throwing a lot of stuff out here. Now it's time to put down liner on this shelf. So I didn't want to go through every cupboard with you, but I worked on some of them off camera, and this was the end result of all of my organization. I'm super happy with it. Okay, you guys, that wraps it up for our organization of the pantry, and I hope you guys learned something from today's video, and that maybe it'll inspire you to get in and organize your pantry. And if there is something that you would like to see more often in my videos, comment down below and let me know, and also let me know if there's a specific area that you really want to tackle. Thanks for joining me, and until the next video, bye you guys.